Hello everyone, welcome back to Earners Empire. Let's build our own empire with money. So it's me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to earn money using Brave browser or more specifically Brave rewards. As you can see my screen over here, I have a balance of 2.113 BAT in my Brave rewards account, which is currently unclaimed. So in this video I'll be actually demonstrating you how to connect your Brave rewards account with your custodial wallet. Right now I'm in India, so I'm going to connect it with the Zebpay account over here. This is the Zebpay custodial wallet, guys. But there are a few catches which you must remember when connecting your Brave rewards account with Zebpay, and I have actually made a separate video on that, and I'll leave those videos link in the description along with the first comment, and you can just go check it out. And for users who are not located in India, and but you are still located in India, but you do not want to connect your Brave rewards account to the Zebpay wallet, there are still various ways with which you will be able to connect your Brave rewards account with other custodial wallets such as Gemini or Uphold, and I have actually made separate videos on that topic, and I will leave the videos link in the description along with the first comment. So guys, let's just not waste any more time and just straightly dive into the video. As you can see my screen over here right now, this Brave rewards account has been registered in India. So in India, the only custodial wallet which is supported by Brave rewards is Zebpay. Okay, so as you can see my account over here, the Zebpay allows us to store, manage and withdraw our BAT earnings, and we'll also be able to send on-demand contributions to our favorite sites and creators. Okay, so in order to increase your earnings using Brave rewards, there are actually few things which you must remember, and I'll also state those things in this video. Consider it a bonus. So first of all, the thing is that by default, I don't know how much number of ads is going to be displayed, but always choose to show 10 per hour. So it will increase the ad frequency, which will make you earn more, and always turn both these options on, so it will help you. And whenever, just remember, this is the screen. Okay, so whenever we open Brave browser, remember to reload the screen. In the screen we will get advertisements such as this is actually an advertisement, and by watching an advertisement we will be able to increase our earning. So right now no advertisements has been loading, but okay, this is another advertisement, and watching these advertisements actually make us earn more. So do not just continuously reloading, but once a while make sure to visit the new tab page by clicking this button over here. Okay, so if you guys need a specific video for mobile, just leave it in the comment section, and I'll try to post a video on that. As you can see over here, before it was 11, now it is 13 as I viewed two advertisements, that is the new page ads. Okay, the notifications are those which are those advertisements which you get from notifications, and always remember to turn on notifications. As you can see over here right now, these are notifications for me, and remember to turn off the focus mode or anything which will hinder you while receiving notifications. So guys, let's just straightly move in the steps to connecting your Brave rewards account with the custodial wallet. Okay, so once you successfully install the Brave browser, what you have to do is that you need to click on this button over here, and you need to click on the connect over here. If you click on the connect, you will be redirected to this page, and in this page you will be given an option in order to connect your Brave rewards account with the custodial wallet. If you click on this connect button, as I told before, right now in India I am only able to connect it with Zebpay wallet, but if you are in some other countries, like I guess there are actually four ways to connect the four custodial wallets. Those are Uphold, Gemini, Bitflyer and Zebpay. Bitflyer is for Japan, Zebpay is for India, and Gemini is actually the best custodial wallet, but it's right now temporarily unavailable, and Uphold is for multiple countries, but those are for the Western countries. Okay, so I have actually explained all this clearly in my previous video, and you just go check it out. Right now, I'll not be explaining these. So after clicking this button, you would actually be redirected to the Zebpay account site, where you will be actually prompted to enter your number. So right now I'm going to enter my number. While entering my number, I'll pause this video. As you can see my screen in front of you, I have I did not have a Zebpay wallet previously, so the first thing which you need to do is to click on the sign up and complete the procedures. And after signing up in Zebpay, we need to complete our KYC. That is the know your customers, and those are the few of the steps which we would have to do in order to use our integrate our Brave Rewards account with the Zebpay wallet. As you can see here, there is a complete guide in the Zebpay's official forum, which will actually teach you in order to how to connect your Brave Rewards account with the Zebpay wallet. These two steps are which we have seen. This is the step which I showed you. And after integrating it, would be shown a page like this. Okay, so until the screen I have showed you, this is the fourth screen. There are actually Zebpay wallet features are somewhat different compared to Uphold or Gemini, in which you'll be every month your rewards is going to be transferred to your Uphold or Gemini, but in Zebpay there is actually a few features such as auto sweep, and auto sweep only transfers your earnings. As you can see over here, auto sweep only transfers your earning every 90 days once. So that is issue. And the next thing is that according to me, Zebpay is not that good of a custodial wallet, and I do not recommend to you guys or advise you guys to use Zebpay. I still recommend you guys to go choose Gemini when it becomes available, or if you have to choose between the Zebpay or Uphold, just choose Uphold wallet. Okay, so these are the features over here. We would get a live view, lifetime earnings, but guys, do not forget that actually Zebpay has a membership fees of 0.001 Bitcoin per month if you do not perform any trades in your Zebpay wallet. Okay, so these are some of the FAQs, and you just go check it out. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope this video was apt to the title. And if this video was actually helpful to you, do not forget to click on the thumbs up button below this video. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button. And once again, thanks for watching this video until the end. Bye.